Come take mine. So yeah, hi, what's up? We're starting the show off with my favorite song, "Not Afraid" by Eminem. And I don't know what happened to it. Let's start it. Okay, how are you feeling?
Oh, now I'm not confused.
Tell the world, just let you know that you're not alone. You can try to read my lyrics off of this paper before I leave. Cause you know when I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I do this for me. The world feed the beans. It's got stuff. Everything is stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, I'm being all who's down with me. I'm tearing down your balcony. I forgot half of it.
You sing that song every day.
Doubt?
How do you forget stuff you sing every day?
Because I didn't sing it yesterday. But better or worse. Like for Christmas, this is a curse. I'm not afraid to take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. Walk this road together through the storm. Whatever weather, cold or warm. Just so you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the stairs and cut the crap. You said you was king, you lied through it too, but that fucking feelings. I need to let you down and get back. In fact, let's see, it's the last real I've seen you.
We're already like, yeah, we're 2 minutes into the.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
My name be Jessica. Her name be Steffi. And this is a Squishy and Baby Cakes production.
See?
Hello. Well,
Hello, unearthlings.
you come in peace. Okay. Well,
Sexier. Anyways, supposedly there's this story.
you tell them.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, story is.
Dun dun dun.
Ding ding. Story is.
Dun dun
You're
dun.
gonna get punched.
Ping ping.
Okay, story is. Story is that there's this little 14-year-old boy goes on what's the airline called?
U.S. Airways.
U.S. Airways.
Stop it!
And he was sexually abused by this lady. Why? I do not know, because I wasn't there. I'm not the lady. Supposedly she's a rapist. Put that down so they could hear me and move it. And, yeah. He got raped the whole way, and he tried to tell the flight attendant that he was being raped, and they wouldn't pay him attention. Like, so he was raped, pressed charges, and I
$3
think
million.
$3 million.
I think. I'm not sure.
They said he won the case or lost. Or
One.
he won.
So be careful when you're going. Any children or people, because it's anyone who goes alone on a plane. Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah.
And this song is for them, for those people.
Why would you pretend your airplane is a shooting star? Like, what about what?
Because you have to wish to not get raped.
You know what's really cool? I want to be on an airplane at nighttime.
No, you don't. No, you do not, honey.
Yeah.
It's scary.
Well, that's the point.
No, that's really
Because
scary.
you get to see Hello, the closer you are to the sky, the more stars you see. And
the closer you are to the sky, the more you're not able to see any cities or
yes,
any...
you can.
No.
Yes.
Me back to the day before this was a job. Before I got paid.
Who told you that? Like, when you're in an airplane, you can see towns and the lights. You just won't see the people and all that shit. Stop fucking with us. Really?
It's part of my bed.
Anyways, shooting stars. We saw one. That'll be like my 5th million shooting stars I've seen.
I saw a shooting star, my first one my whole life.
It's like my 5th million one I've seen. Shooting stars are really common, supposedly. Or, they're not supposed to be, but I've like seen like millions. Oh yeah, I need a floss. I saw a chicken in my mouth.
Got some corn up in here. Right there. Okay, I'm good. Ow!
I just cut my lip.
Oh.
Like the Joker. I'm not smiling. It's just that it's stuck like this. Anyways. Kinda sweet.
So, what are we gonna talk about?
We just talk about our topic. The kid got raped.
Oh, wait, no,
Let's just look. Hi, Caleb. We see your picture. I like your picture. I like your phone.
I like your abs.
Hello.
Oh my God, loving that belt.
But hello, picture.
What's good?
Okay, right now, if you don't know, like,
oh, we can't see each other, so like we're looking at my wallpaper and
you know when
looking good.
You know when you leave your computer on too long and you like screensaver? Yeah, that's on right now as we're talking and you're looking at it. Really?
I look good.
Really?
Look good.
Really?
I look good.
Really? Okay. Okay. Anyways.
Yes. Anyways.
Yeah. We've been slacking.
This is our first video where we slacking off. We just put in some music, put in our favorites, put in these things up, and
I did the page. I finally did our page. Well, I did our page. The picture of us. Her picture is old. My picture is recent. Well, you don't have.
She's gonna change my picture so you can see how I look now. Hey, it should be like that, like our thing. Look in that airplane with a nice sound like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. If
it wasn't wrapped around my finger, okay. I'm ready. Okay, what do you want? Oh. Seriously, we need comments.
We really need comments, like really.
So we can
go. Looking at this video, give us a topic.
Yeah, like, and
I know skulls are good and everything, but give us a topic. I know my hair isn't having a bad day, but give us a topic. I know that she teased her hair, but give us a topic. I know that I'm covering my teeth right now, but give us a topic.
Like, we're gonna make fashion videos, how to, like, email,
gangsta,
and girly,
how to fall in love.
Oh, and Jersey Shore stuff. Cause
we don't have any more time, so we're gonna go.
Look, you see the volume?
We're gonna go, okay?
You see the volume? Flat volume.
Yeah. Love you. Bye.